Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to do MLA referencing. So you're going to go on Noodle Tools, so mynoodletools.com. Don't forget to sign in with your school email, and you are going to have this dashboard here, and you're going to choose new project. You're going to include a title for the project. I'm including science. And you will choose a citation style, which is the MLA citation that we use, and a citation level. Choose the junior level to start with. You're going to click submit, and you are going to end up with a dashboard. So you don't need to write anything in the dashboard for now. You can leave this out. You're going to click on the sources tab on top. And this is where you're going to start writing your sources. So you're going to click here, the new source tab on top. And for your level, you will be citing mostly websites, but you can cite other things as well, like video clips, like YouTube videos or different types of things. But for now you will be citing web pages, websites. So you're going to click on web page. Now here you will have all this information to fill about the web page that you are doing referencing. Now let's say you're looking for information on the different sources of electricity. And you have the first link, you're going to click on it, but please note that you have no right to use any information from the Wikipedia website. So let's say you access this website and you're going to go through the website, read through the information that is given to you, and you're going to try to understand what is in that website. And on my part, I found that this information over here is very relevant to the sources of electricity. So I'm going to select this, the three major categories of energy for electricity. I'm going to select this and I'm going to copy this for now. But note that I'm just copying for the sake of writing for the explanation, but you're in no way going to copy and paste information. So this is the information, and here I'm going to read it and understand it, and I'm going to put it in my own words, because of course you have no right to copy information exactly as it is. So I'm putting it in my own words. The main sources of energy that is used to make electricity are fossil fuels, nuclear energy, and renewable sources such as biomass, geothermal, and solar energy. So this is information that is in my own words. Now I'm going to get rid of the information that I copy and pasted, because I don't need that, and whatever is written in my own words, this is what I'm going to keep. But even if it's my own words, I need to say from where I got this information from. So I'm going to include an MLA referencing. The MLA referencing is a long form of the reference that gives you the link. So I'm going to go on my Noodle Tools and I'm going to copy the link from that website and paste it. I'm going to look for the date on which it was written. So it was written on 20 March 2020. So I'm going to include this. And the most recent date was the date of today. And contributors is author, but if I look at this document, there is no author here, so I will just ignore the author. So I'm not going to include any author's name, but if you have an author's name given on the document, you include the name of the author. The web page, so that web page is on the US Energy Information Administration. So that's the name of the website. So I'm going to include the name of the website. And I'm going to include the web page title or the document title. So the title is Electricity in the US. So it gives you information on this. And when I'm done writing all the information, I'm going to click Save. And I'm done with referencing my first website. And when I go on the Noodle Tools dashboard, I should get the in-text citation, which I'm going to include at the end of my sentence in brackets, and I'm going to get a link for the MLA referencing. So here I have my first citation, and I'm going to copy the citation. This is a citation, and I'm going to copy this and put it in my document, MLA referencing. So this is my referencing. This is the long version of the referencing where I have the link. Now I'm going to click on Options, In-Text Citation, and it gives me an idea of how I should cite that website at the end of my sentence. So I'm going to copy this. And I'm going to paste it at the end of my sentence. So I remove the full stop and I include the in-text citation, and then I'm going to put the full stop. Normally, when we do in-text citation, we also need to include the year in which the article was written. So I'm just going to add a comma and the year. So this is an example of an in-text citation at the end of my sentence, and the MLA referencing, which is going to be at the end of the document. So any reference that appears in your MLA reference list should appear somewhere as in-text citation.